place.
Welcome to Livefoot TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. 17-year-old charged with the murder of a schoolmate in Manchester. Viewers and subscribers, what going on, man? I don't know what going on, but from where there be violence, I see a spiral right now at the school of Jamaica star. You know, female are lose her life. Young men are losing their lives. What's going on with these school children right now? Ch&rged, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself and the man of peace and the lion foot. You know, we say give thanks to life, health and strength. They up on the work at the night shift. You know, we run through some news and everything there, you know, but yeah, man, from where we say whole heap of gang violence are going on at school. I don't know what going on. Parents, we have to keep our eyes open, you know, have to talk to the kids, them, guide them, you know, talk to them on a daily basis. Over school, what's going on? Tell them to be open with you and talk with you if they might get bullied or extorted or groomed into gang. You know, all this violence is spiral out so in the school, them very different school gang war. You know, we see this 17-year-old charge. 17, you were there 17-year-old lose him life downtown and the gang shoot out to the police. Now a 17-year-old charge. No, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, it no look good. It no look good. It no look good, star. The youths, them like them give up on life. Them now want no meditation. Them youths are nowadays, them generation. And not like my time when me a youth I grew up. You know, we could have hold it. Yes, badness are going. Yes, but you know, certain things are going now. We never did know our days at school, especially in the garrison. You know, I nearly get caught up in a badness gang. A whole gun. Zine, and a man see me and tell me, say, yo, the man, you know, me I go buy a quarter of bread for go to school. Man call me and say, yo, I see you last night, you know. That's enough for you. And from there, so it's like a God sent him to call me. He said, man, even gone next year dead. But them generation now, them not care, star. Them not care. Them fully duns. Them brawling, them a chopping line, them want gunman and them hole, them want it down in them throat. A be a different sitting. Them are going already, you see me? And if you see the violence in our school, star, trust me, it's sickening. It's sickening and disgusting, star. Sometimes it just run up my nerves and I feel like, no. You know, my little granddaughter Jamaica star, you know, trust me, we did pray for her and hope and pray that she grows safely and can end up in the States or England, you know? Yeah, because it's wicked, man. I'm glad wicked, man. It's wicked. Wicked. You go out there tomorrow, you leave out today, and you don't know if you'll come back home. Your parents don't know if you'll come back home. You see me? Kids are fight and I kill them one another. You know what I mean? I dirt them one another. Kids are going missing. Women are going missing. Ch&rged. Ready to drive bike one at 15 years will lose him life. Security guard lose him life from one school compound on Monday. My viewers and subscribers. Wicked out there, man. Boy, I don't know, but Jamaica, I wonder what's the death toll right now, Jamaica. Jamaica nice, you know, no matter the crime I go on there, Jamaica nice, but it's just sad. Every day upon the news, I hear upon the news, You know what I mean? All over Jamaica. You see it? All over Jamaica, war. People are drop like dead leaf pan the tar. Man a kill pan foot, pan bike and in the car. Me read it in the cleaner, observer in the star. You know, big up yourself, Jadonia Records, you know. Them voice a song there about. Yeah, man, star, you know, look good, man. It's nice to see the kids, them. The kids, them throwing their lives away. Them not think before them mock. Everybody head at. As I say, them ready for jump down your throat or hurt you or dirt you. No, star. No, I don't know what I've got my viewers and subscribers. But I don't know, you know, big up on yourself, you know, and talk to your kids, them, see? Talk to your kids them. If you're overseas or your kids them that Jamaica, talk to them. Tell them to stay out of trouble. Tell them to stay out of trouble and avoid trouble at all costs. Avoid bad company because bad company will lead you astray. And this is a message to the parents whether overseas, whether England, America, anyway, and you have your child back home in Jamaica. Talk to them. Yeah, beg on please. Talk to them. Try your best to connect with them and encourage them so them can leave the company where them with or hang out with, because you don't know who is who. Enough wolf in a sheep clothing out there. You don't know, so them are going with things at night time and you hang out with them at daytime and you end up lose your life and you don't know how you lose your life. I saw the man in America, Jamaica, can't catch quack or catch a shot. Or if them come for John Tam and John Tam stand up around 3 people, everybody I get wet up. You see me? But well, I mean, I tell them my viewers and subscribers. Wicked man, all the 17-year-old youth I know. You see me? Gone, female life ruined, you know. Female life ruined because, you know, him and the brother kick off in the school compound and him Ch&rged. Boy, I tell you, star. I tell you, sweet Jamaica, now I left here about the violence, you know, turn up. That man saying in my song, Welcome to Kingston. The violence there, but it can't kill the fun. Welcome to Kingston, you see me? People might be going to please go check out the EP, Welcome to Kingston, and I don't know. If you can't be good, be careful, be safe out there, you know, at Jamaica. And trust no one, be careful who you hang out with or what you're saying around people, because you might just be the unlucky one to lose your life, and you don't know where you lose your life at. You see it? Yeah, man, so pick up on yourself and stay safe. And the youths them start. Parents, remember to talk to your youths them, talk to your kids them. Check up on them. Cause enough of them sneak into a go on with things I don't know, so them are going with things. And then them come home innocently, you know? Yeah, so talk to them, man. You see it? Talk to them. Boy, I tell you, these are the days, you know? These are the days. Babies having babies, teenagers, dirt out teenagers. You know what I mean? Boy, I tell you. I know the wickedest thing about it. The government them don't care, you know? The government them don't care. Because if they did, they would support the kids them. You know? And get back the place into order. Not saying they're not doing that, you know, but I think more needs to be done. You know? Enough youth out there now, the mentality if you got thief or robber, dirt somebody. What the system forced him to. You see me, the system rise them up against even them one family member. Much less stranger. Much less the Babylon them police them, because I know enough people in the garrison like the police, but the system, you know, the system, but overall it's just sad for me. We see so many young teenagers behaving like that. Even some of the girls them, you should be acting more professionally, more, you know, with caring. Them they are brawling in them school uniform and them things. Them things are not right still. But as I said, things and time change, you know. We are old school. I don't know, they don't look up to the old school, you know. Much less respect with them. Quicker for this, we can say we're old, you know, our days done. So then stay about. Viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself. Don't forget to like and share the content. Subscribe and click the bell. Remember, if you have a child out there, talk to them in our school scene.
No love now show up badness a chop. New recruiter try if he broke him nut. Can't get squawk so him gets the shot and bust him wing pipe and cut out him gun. Me tired and me fed up by it. Too much violence in the place.